Hello, welcome to Kodecrew. My name is Gigi. Today I will be helping you getting set up using your admin dashboard and also getting around and getting familiar with our tutorials. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the admin dashboard. Again, gentle reminder that you need to have access and admin rights to the dashboard to make any of those changes. So if you do not, please double check with your company or organization to give you the right permission. So let's get rolling. So first you're going to go on the setting page. You're going to scroll down all the way to integration and you're going to click on it. So Kodecrew actually currently offers a few integrations. We currently are able to connect with your Google Workspace, Slack, GitHub, and you're able to also pull information from the weather and holidays. So let's run through a little bit what each integration do. We have here the Google one. So this will be connecting to your Google Workspace. What you need to do, if you see, we have different kind of labels right here for the colors. First, we have orange, blue, and green. So if the button here is orange, it means that the automation is enabled. You have actually connected, but you need to make sure that you're signed in as a user. So you can click here, and this was synced by one of our admin too, and you can go and link it here. When it's green, it means that you are signed in. It is the auto sync has been enabled, so it syncs automatically the new data and it's automated. So everything is ready to go. And when it's blue, it means that the integration has been enabled, but there's no automation yet. So the auto sync is not there. So you can also do that. So let's take a look about what the Google does. So the key point about the signing in with the integration is that if you can connect to your Google Workspace, you can actually pull users from there. You also will be able to pull information such as amount of email sent, email received, meetings, and so much more. We'll take a look at that in another video on the event page where you can actually track all those cool metrics through integrating your Google, Slack, or GitHub. You can also, the big part here where you can do is actually pull the users here. So you can actually just select which one you want to use. Now our Google is actually not sync, so you won't be able to see it, but you can connect here what you want to do, the role, and so on, and then you can just here see the result. So give it a few moments to load, especially the first time you're in, it takes a bit of time. So here you can decide who you would like to invite, and this will see the role. You can also drop down and change the role if you like, and you can assign them to the team that you would like to have them. And you can also check, uncheck, and recheck them. So this is taken from Slack. So all you have to do when you have groups in your Slack, you can actually set that up directly from your Slack and in groups, and you pull the roles and groups from your Slack. It's a little bit the same with Google too, and you can mix and match with Google and Slack together. The holiday one is a really cool one. So that one is very simple. You can add on different countries. And nowadays, teams are international, so a little bit all over the place. It can sync the public holidays directly to your account, and then it will show when someone is off or online because it does impact someone's productivity. So you have kind of, you see a little bit where everybody is based in her team. So a little bit all over the place. So you just have to click the drop down, find a country, type it in, and select it, and it will sync it. And remember to press save. And then weather was a really cool thing. This gives you daily weather. Often we try to look like what impacts productivity. So a big thing is sometimes weather does have an impact. Some sunnier days, people tend to be more cheerful and they're more excited to be here. And on a rainy day, maybe it's like a slower day, energy is low, less engaged, and so on. It really is kind of like an interesting metric to see how people mood and weather impacts their actual work output. We then have also on the Slack here I mentioned, you can pull the users. You can also see how many Slack messages are sent. This will be only for public channels and also how long they're spent in huddles, again from public channels. We then have the GitHub integration, which is really cool. So GitHub actually shows you a lot about what the actual development that's being done. So through GitHub, once you connect with it, you'll be able to see the pull requests, active hours. So if people are working outside their kind of work hours, their output, the churn, line changes, and so on. So all this will be kind of displayed on our metric page that will be discussed a lot more into a different area. So that's a little bit it regarding the integrations. If you have any questions, again, you can check out our FAQ page or check out also our other videos that we have posted on our YouTube channel and on our help page. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.